दोस्तों दिस इज सी यू मोटिवेशनल प्लस स्टडीज इज इक्वल टू अर्निंग चैनल। आज मैं आप सभी को सिखाने वाली हूँ एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग। कैसे आप एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग कर सकते हो। एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग की ऊपर ए टू जेड में सिखाने वाली हूँ। मेरा एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर वीडियो अगर आपको लगे तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना हमारे चैनल को ऐसे न्यू वीडियो पाने के लिए। और एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर मेरा वीडियो फर्स्ट वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो सेकंड वीडियो देखने के लिए मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना है। प्लीज़ लाइक करना, कमेंट करना एंड शेयर करना, ढेर सारा प्यार देना मेरे चैनल को। चलिए दोस्तों मैं शुरू करता हूँ आज का वीडियो।
Affiliate marketing A to Z. Affiliate marketing A to Z. Affiliate marketing A to Z1. Affiliate marketing A to Z. Table of contents. Introduction. 3 things all affiliate marketers need to survive online. 7 top 3 ways to boost your affiliate commissions overnight. 10 which affiliate networks to look out for when promoting. 14 so many affiliate programs. Which one do I choose? 18 Here's how to avoid the 3 most common affiliate mistakes. 21 Mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong affiliate. 21 Mistake number 2. Joining too many affiliate programs. 22 Mistake number 3. Not buying the product or using the service. 23 Using product recommendations to increase your bottom line. 24 Easy profits using PPC in your affiliate marketing business. 28 Using Camtasia can increase your affiliate checks. 32 How to become a super affiliate in niche markets. 36 Affiliate market.
एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के अंदर क्या क्या आप सभी को देखने को मिलेगी टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट में आप सभी को मैं बता रही हूँ। 3 थिंक ऑफ एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग मिस्टेक। टॉप 3 वेज टू बूस्ट योर एफिलिएट कम्युनिकेशन ओवरनाइट। व्हिच एफिलिएट प्रोग्राम इज बेस्ट। हाउ टू अवॉइड communication affiliate mistake number 1, choose the wrong affiliate. mistake number 2, join too many affiliate programs. ऐसे बहुत कुछ मिलेगा।
A to Z2. Introduction. Being in the affiliate marketing business is not that hard now with the internet at your disposal. It is much easier now compared to the days when people have to make use of the telephones and other mediums of information just to get the latest updates on the way their program is coming along. So with technology at hand, and assuming that the affiliate is working from home, a day in his or her life would sound something like this. Upon waking up and after having breakfast, the computer is turned on to check out new developments in the network. As far as the marketer is concerned, there might be new things to update and statistics to keep track on. The site design has to be revised. The marketer knows that a well-designed site can increase sign-ups from visitors. It can also help in the affiliate's conversion rates. That done, it is time to submit the affiliate program to directories that lists affiliate programs. These directories are means to attract people in joining your affiliate program. A sure way of promoting the affiliate program. Time to track down the sales you are getting from your affiliates fairly and accurately. There are phone orders and mails to track down. See if they are new clients checking the products out. Noting down the contact information that might be a viable source in the future. There are lots of resources to sort out. Ads, banners, button ads and sample recommendations to give out because the marketer knows that this is one way of ensuring more sales. Best to stay visible and accessible too. The affiliate marketer remember that there are questions to answer from the visitors. This has to be done quickly. Nothing can turn off a customer than an unanswered email. To prove that the affiliate is working effectively and efficiently, inquiries would have to be paid more attention on. Nobody wants to be ignored and customers are not always the most patient of all people. Quick answer that should appear professional yet friendly too. In the process of doing all the necessities, the marketer is logged onto a chat room where he or she interacts with other affiliates and those under that same program. This is where they can discuss things on how to best promote their products. There are things to be learned and it is a continuous process. Sharing tips and advices is a good way of showing support. There may be others out there wanting to join and may be enticed by the discussion that is going on. There is no harm in assuming what opportunities ahead. The newsletters and e-zines were updated days ago, so it is time for the affiliate marketer to see if there are some new things happening in the market. This will be written about in the marketer's publication to be distributed to the old and new customers. These same publications are also an important tool in keeping up to date with the newly introduced products. The marketer has put up a sale and promotion that customers may want to know about. Besides, they have to keep up with the deadline of these sales written in the publications. It is the time to show some appreciation to those who have helped the marketer in the promotions and sale increase. Nothing like mentioning the persons, their sites and the process they have done that made everything worked. Of course, this will be published in the newsletters. Among the more important information that have been written already. The marketer still has time to write out recommendations to those who want credible sources for the products being promoted. There is also time to post some comments on how to be a successful affiliate marketer on a site where there are lots of wannabes. 2 objectives done at the same time. The marketer gets to promote the product as well as the program they are in. Who knows, someone may be inclined to join. Time flies. Missed lunch but is quite contented with the tasks done. Bedtime. Okay, so this may not be all done in a day. But then, this gives you an idea of how an affiliate marketer, a dedicated one that is, spends the marketing day. Is that success looming in the distance or what? 3 things all affiliate marketers need to survive online. Every affiliate marketer is always looking for the successful market that gives the biggest paycheck. Sometimes they think it is a magic formula that is readily available for them. Actually, it is more complicated than that. It is just good marketing practices that have been proven over years of hard work and dedication. There are tactics that have worked before with online marketing and is continuing to work in the online affiliate marketing world of today. With these top 3 marketing tips, you will be able to increase your sales and survive in the affiliate marketing online. What are these 3 tactics? 1. Using unique web pages to promote each separate product you are marketing. Do not lump all of it together just to save some money on web hosting. It is best to have a site focusing on each and every product and nothing more. Always include product reviews on the website so visitors will have an initial understanding on what the product can do to those who buys them. Also include testimonials from users who have already tried the product. Be sure that these customers are more than willing to allow you to use their names and photos on the site of the specific product you are marketing. You can also write articles highlighting the uses of the product and include them on the website as an additional page. Make the pages attractive, compelling, and include calls to act on the information. Each headline should attract the readers to try and read more, even contact you. Highlight your special points. This will help your readers to learn what the page is about and will want to find out more. 2. Offer free reports to your readers. If possible, position them at the very top side of your page so that they simply cannot be missed. Try to create autoresponder messages that will be mailed to those who input their personal information into your sign-up box. According to research, a sale is closed usually on the 7th contact with a prospect. Only 2 things can possibly happen with the web page alone: closed sale or the prospect leaving the page and never return again. By placing useful information into their inboxes at certain specified period, you will remind them of the product they thought they want later and will find out that the sale is closed. Be sure that the content is directed towards specific reasons to buy the product. Do not make it sound like a sales pitch. Focus on important points like how your product can make life and things easier and more enjoyable. Include compelling subject lines in the email. As much as possible, avoid using the word free, because there are still older spam filters that dumps those kind of contents into the junk before even anyone reading them first. Convince those who signed up for your free reports that they will be missing something big if they do not avail of your products and services. 3. Get the kind of traffic that is targeted to your product. Just think, if the person who visited your website has no interest whatsoever in what you are offering, they will be among those who move on and never come back. Write articles for publication in e-zines and airports. This way you can locate publications that is focusing on your target customers, and what you have put up might just grab their interest. Try to write a minimum of 2 articles per week, with at least 300 to 600 words in length. By continuously writing and maintaining these articles, you can generate as many as 100 targeted readers to your site in a day. Always remember that only 1 out of 100 people are likely to buy your product or get your services.
और एक बात आप सभी ने सुन लो, 3 थिंग ऑफ एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग जो पार्ट है वो ख़त्म हो चुका है, और नेक्स्ट डे का जो पार्ट है वो है टॉप 3 ओएस्ट बूस्ट योर एफिलिएट कम्युनिकेशन ओवरनाइट। ये है नेक्स्ट डे का पार्ट। नेक्स्ट डे का वीडियो देखने के लिए मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, और पहले फर्स्ट 3 थिंग ऑफ एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर मेरे वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो करना और शेयर कर देना। और अगर पहला वीडियो अगर समझ में आपका दिक्कत हुई या कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हुई उसको बताना, मैं आपका हर एक प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन कर दूंगा। वीडियो अगर एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करना, कमेंट करना और शेयर करना। ये मेरा पहला वीडियो एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर। नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। आज के लिए वीडियो यहीं पर मैं ख़त्म करता हूँ। मैं आगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो एक नया लेके आ जाऊँगा।